Exerpeutic 5000 Recumbent Exercise Bike with an Airsoft seal. 24 preset programs, Bluetooth, MyCloudFitness app tracking. Hi, welcome my friend. Open step design, providing very easy on and off capability with an extended weight capacity up to 325 pounds. Product dimensions: 55 inches length by 25 inches width by 64 inches height. Product weight 84 pounds. The Airsoft seat is large and oversized, 13 inches length by 17 inches width and 3.5 inches thick, that uses alternating pressure chamber system that eliminates soreness and pressure points for a longer workout session. 24 preset workout programs, 24 resistance levels, 3 computer goal workout settings, distance, time, and calories burned, 1 quick start program, and 1 heart rate recovery test. Extended weight capacity up to 325 pounds. High visibility backlit LCD computer displays distance, time, RPM, calories burned, speed, pulse, odometer, and watts. Included components: recumbent bike, tools, and a manual. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.